Hi, I'm Brad from DTE. Now that your neighborhood's natural gas updates are finished, our next step is to return your property to its original or even better condition.
A repair coordinator will visit your neighborhood to note, mark, and measure areas for repair. You can help by pointing out unique property features like sprinklers or invisible fencing. Keep in mind that initial repairs, like concrete and asphalt patches, are only temporary. During warmer months, May through October, we'll replace these repairs within 30 days of completing upgrades. From November through April, your temporary repairs will keep you safe until spring, when we can install sidewalks, driveways, and lawns that will look great and last a long time. These repairs are completed by the end of June, weather permitting. We want you to be completely satisfied with your property repairs.